Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by s squared minus 1. Next, we have y, and we have first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one, dx. Now I will concentrate about this integration. We know that s squared minus 1 we can put into s minus 1, s plus 1. Number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. So I will put s in here. Later that we need to minus about s. And this one, that's e about s minus 1. So s plus 1 divided by s plus 1, s minus 1 divided by s minus 1. So we have 1 over s minus 1 minus 1 over s plus 1. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. Similar for this one. And we put about c. Next, we have the formula in here. ln a minus ln b equals to ln of a over b. So for this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of s minus 1 over s plus 1. So after that, we can return back to here. And we put about e to the power of ln of s minus 1 over s plus 1. So for this one, we can write into s minus 1 over s plus 1. So that means we multiply both sides by this one. Now we need to simplify this one. So s minus 1 we cancel. S plus 1 you got about s plus 1 to the power of 2. This one, we have s plus 1. We see that this one cancel with this one, s minus 1 cancel with s minus 1. So this one you got about number 1. Now we put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So if we do first derivative of y with uv, and you got about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This is about first derivative of v. multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. That means this integration, you got about s minus 1 over s plus 1 multiplied by y. The integration of this one, you got about s plus c. Now we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.